Yes, 2025 is almost over. And as a woman, if you are still feeling financially stuck, it's probably not your job or your bills that is holding you back. It could be your daily habits. So today I'm sharing 5 habits that you need to change as a woman before this year comes to an end, so as to take full control of your money. Hello, amazing woman. You are welcome to Savvy Moms Finance. And if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Peace, and I call myself your financial advocate. This channel is for every woman, every girl, every lady that is serious about getting their money right. Whether you are a stay-at-home mom, whether you have a job you are doing, or you are just simply building something for yourself, sis, you're welcome. You are in the right place. Today we are diving into 5 smart money habits that every woman needs to master in this year 2025. And trust me when I say it's not about savings, it's about growing, protecting, and multiplying your money. Let's get into it. The first thing to do is for you to automate your savings, and you have to be strategic about this. This year, automation is no longer luxury. It's the standard, but it's not enough to just set it and go. Set up multiple savings goals. It could be an emergency fund, a travel fund, or even a small business dream fund. You can use budgeting apps or banking features that allow category-based automation. By so doing, your money moves to the right places without you even thinking about it. Let me give you a tip. Set a calendar reminder, say like every 2 to 3 months, to review and adjust your automated savings. Because your priorities could change and your money strategy has to change as well. The next habit is you monetizing your skills. Even if it's just a side hustle, sis. Everyone calls this year, 2025, the soft life year. But soft life still needs soft income, right? Ask yourself, what can I do that others, that people are willing to pay for? Don't underestimate yourself. It could be organizing, creating digital products, editing, baking, or even coaching. With platforms like TikTok or even WhatsApp, it's easier to start small and grow fast. Let me give you a tip. Pick one skill, test it out for like 30 days. Package it, post it, repeat the process, okay? The next thing for you to do is use AI to your advantage. Sis, don't be left behind. Everything now is AI. Use it to your advantage. Learn. In this year, 2025, if you are still doing everything manually, then you are wrong. Actually working harder than you should. Use free or low-cost AI tools. Use them for tracking expenses, for budgeting, creating content if you are trying to build a brand. AI can actually save you time, help you make better financial decisions, and also help you stay consistent. The next habit you should cultivate, in fact, this one, I do it on the regular. I do it often. Review your money monthly and not when you are broke. I am telling you, sis, this is where many women get it wrong. They only check their bank balance when they are broke or when there is a problem. You can create a monthly money date with yourself. This is what you do. Go through your income, expenses, your debts, and your progress. You can make it fun. Yes, make it fun so that it wouldn't be overwhelming. Let it not be as if it's stressing you. Get your journal, wear something you are comfortable with, keep a drink, something to munch by your side, and you start taking record. This is self-care. Or should I say money care? Let me give you a tip. Keep a small notebook. You can call it your money wins notebook. Write down every money goal you achieve, no matter how small, okay? Maybe your savings, maybe you were supposed to save like, let me say 5,000, and you are able to save $5,500 or real or naira, depending on where you are staying, okay? Celebrate it. It's worth celebrating. It will motivate you. The next thing to do is for you to invest consistently. You can start small, but start now. Like I always say, you don't need to be rich to start investing, but you do need to start. Apps like Rice Vest, Cowrie Wise, Piggy Vest, Bamboo, or even your local cooperative can help. Let me tell you something. Women who invest consistently, no matter how small, they save or they invest, they grow silently. They build their wealth silently. You don't need to be in a rush. You don't need to compete with anyone. Do what works for you, what you are comfortable with, okay? Let me give you another tip. Look for low-risk, long-term investment options. Please, if you are new to investment, do not chase quick money. Chase smart money. Make money the smart way. No Ponzi scheme, no get rich quickly. Slow and steady wins the race, remember. So sis, there you have it. 5 smart money habits to help you build financial confidence and freedom in this year, 2025. So let me ask you, sis, which one are you starting with now, as in right now? Or which one are you doing already? Tell me in the comments. I did love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, share this video to every woman in your contact. And if you're not subscribed to this channel already, what are you still waiting for? You have to subscribe to this channel because in this channel we talk all things about women and money. You know, money is a conversation, right? And we need to continue having that conversation as women. So if you are ready to be a part of my community, I mean women building wealth, just hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.